Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another session. Today, we are going to explore a very famous book.
I am so excited for this one. I have heard about this book everywhere.
That's great, Emma. If you enjoy learning English through real conversations like this, don't forget to subscribe and tap like. It's a small click, but it helps our podcast grow a lot.
Yes, please do. So, Henry, ask me. Ask me what I want to learn today.
Okay, calm down. So, Emma, which book do you want to talk about today?
Today, I want to understand Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. But honestly, the title confuses me. Did he really have two dads?
No, he didn't have two biological fathers. He had one real dad and one mentor.
Okay, so who is who?
His real dad was the poor dad. He was highly educated, a PhD holder, but he struggled with money all his life. The rich dad was his best friend's father. He never finished 8th grade, but he became one of the richest men in Hawaii.
Wait, the PhD guy was poor and the dropout was rich? That sounds upside down.
It does, doesn't it? But that is the core lesson. It's not about how much money you make, it's about how much money you keep. Let's start with chapter 1. The rich don't work for money.
Uh, Henry, I think that's wrong. Rich people work very hard for money. That's why they're rich.
Not exactly. The poor and the middle class work for money. The rich make money work for them.
Make money work? Money doesn't have legs, Henry.
No, it doesn't. Think about it this way. Most people differ by fear and greed. Fear of not having money makes them work hard. Then greed makes them spend it on new things. This is called the rat race.
Oh, I know the rat race. Wake up, go to work, pay bills, repeat. It feels like running in a wheel.
Exactly. Ideally, you want to escape that wheel. You want your investments to generate income, so you don't have to work physically. Now, this next part is very important. Chapter 2 is about financial literacy. You must know the difference between an asset and a liability.
That sounds like boring accounting words.
It is simple. Listen carefully. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket.
Okay, easy. So, my house is an asset, right? I own it.
No. In this book, your house is a liability.
What? But it's my home. It has value.
Does your house pay you every month, or do you pay for the house? Taxes, repairs, insurance.
I pay a lot. Okay, I see. Money goes out, so it's a liability.
Correct. A rental property that pays you rent, that is an asset. A business you own, that is an asset.
Wow, my brain is hurting a little bit. So, rich people buy assets, poor people buy liabilities thinking they are assets.
Perfect. You got it. Let's look at one more lesson. Mind your own business.
That sounds rude. Like, hey, don't look at me.
No, not like that. It means don't just focus on your job. Focus on your asset column. Many people spend their whole lives minding someone else's business. They make the boss rich or the government rich.
So, I should quit my job.
No. Keep your day job, but in your free time, start building something. Buy stocks, start a small side business, write a book, build something that is yours.
Okay, be intentional with my time, just like we talked about in our last podcast.
Yes! I remembered. That makes me happy.
This book sounds tough, but very useful. I think I need to look at my bank account now.
Don't be scared. Just start learning. Financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint.
Thank you, Henry. This was fun.
You are welcome, Emma. And to our listeners, if you learned something new today, let us know in the comments. Are you buying assets or liabilities?
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone.